so we're riding. And right now we're following the loop that we did on the night ride because I want to see it during the day. And yeah, Daniel got a new tire. Getting a Trackmaster, so he's testing that out. And as you can see, we're picking the pace up a little bit more than we usually do. This sand's a lot more hard packed than it was last weekend when we did the night ride. Must have got some rain. No dust either. That's really good. Heck yeah. Yeah, they got some rain. It's a little bit more water. That felt good. That was awesome. Doing some sick flybys right now. That pipe sounds so good. Gotta watch some of these potholes, especially on the sides. They will get you. I think this is it. Slow down so we don't get hit in the turn. Oh, that's a good feeling. Rail in the sand. He says he doesn't like the tire. It's definitely way softer than a typical dual sport tire. I mean, technically it's not rated, but I don't know. Alright, so we've ventured off the trail, or the loop that we did. Oh, he's mud bogging the crap out of it. Oh Lord. Your exhaust is going under. Well, let me just get mine on a firm spot. Slowly. See if that's solid enough to hold my...
It was running. Yeah, I was trying to keep the revs up while the exhaust was above.
Alright, so it's my turn to save the day today. Went through that water hole and Daniel, he got stuck and the bike was running and it got water in it somehow through a boot or something. Woo! That was a deep one. I cannot get stuck. Alright, let me... So yeah, he was right in front of me and he hit the water hole and got a little stuck in the murky stuff, and the exhaust was right there and it was running, but it sucked in water from somewhere and now we can't get it running and the battery's getting low. That's the main issue. We probably could have got it running if the battery wasn't dying, but... So, I'm headed towards Lake City now on the other side of the forest because we're closer to there. I'm going to get a strap so we can tow him back to the main road, and then I'll have to get the truck. Wale 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 World sponsored this video. Wally World saving the day. Yeah, this place is popping. Alright, got the goods, got a tow strap. Headed back to Daniel in the woods. So, I'm going to get in the woods and then I'm going to get back on Maps Plus so I can follow my GPS. It's just easier to follow Maps Plus while I'm on the roads. Because I've never been in Lake City before, so I don't know the best way to get there. Dude just asked me if my bike was 1,000. He's like, yo, is that 1,000, bro? I said, no, it's a 250. He said, what's wrong? Oh, man. Oh, Lake City. Good place, good place. Alright, well, I'll tune back in when I start getting close to Daniel. Later. Alright. Back at the trail where we lost Daniel. Gotta go strap him up. Get him out of here. Here's the fun part though, is we gotta watch my gas too. Because I just burned a lot of gas going to get this strap. That was a 30-minute ride one way. Wrong gear. Well, yeah, we'll just first gear lug it out of this part. Fun times. I don't really know. It's going to be weird at first. Might make it a tad longer. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Just watch my brake light. And I'll watch my mirror. So if you go down, I won't drag you. Honestly, if you go down, I'll probably crash. Did it start? I know. I got excited, then I was like, no! You good?
Yeah.
Alright.
I was just trying to keep it straight behind you as I went over.
Well, let's try that again. And
Actually, we'll see if it'll...
yeah, that might have been enough to... yeah, I heard it fire, and I got excited, and I looked back, and I was like, oh no, I need to keep going. That'll save us a lot of time with getting you home, too. Honestly, though, I'd hate to trail ride and mess your engine up. I mean, if you still want me to get my truck, I'm totally fine with that. If you need to, if you want to save your engine. Back the way we came. All right. See what it's looking like. All right, sounds good. Ready? All right. Hell yeah! Don't turn it off!